Devin Frederick Simons. Simmons or Simons?
Simons.
Mr. Simons, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's date and time set for an arraignment by video. No attorney for Mr. Simons?
Yes, Ms. Greer is here. Sharon Greer, on behalf of Mr. Simons. Your Honor, I have gone over the felony warrant with Mr. Simmons, and I've read him his charges as well as the penalties. He's been informed of those charges. For that reason, we're going to waive the formal reading of the felony warrant, and he will stand mute to those charges and ask you to enter a not guilty plea for him.
Okay, Mr. Simons, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. We're going to schedule this matter for a hearing, but for some reason I'm locked. There it goes. This case number is 21-0330.
Thank you, sir.
Could you say that one more time for me? I'm sorry.
21-0330.
Okay, thank you.
We're to the bond portion of this case. Officer, any comments on bond?
Just based on the recommendation from Sergeant Smith, 10,000, 10%.
Counselor?
Well, considering that is a very generous recommendation, considering the charges, I spoke with Mr. Simons about it, and he thinks it's a good recommendation as well. So he has no prior record. I just want to say that he's been receiving unemployment. He's about to get back to work with the Three Brothers Lawn Care, and he's 24 years old. So we're not going to put up too much of a fuss about that recommendation at this time.
All right, Mr. Simons, your bond is 10,000, 10%. You can't purchase, consume, or possess any mood-altering substance while you're on this bond. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You can't
Yes,
possess
John.
any firearms while you're on this bond.
Yes, John.
Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Was there another? Yeah, I just let him know that we're not serving. I'm trying to. 3.
So we have the case number. The court date's going to be Wednesday, May 5th of 2021 in Judge Green's courtroom at 9 a.m. by Zoom.
And that's a probable cause conference, correct?
I'm sorry, it's a PCC. You're exactly right. It's a Zoom probable cause hearing Wednesday, May 5th, 2021, Judge Green's courtroom. Bond is 10,000, 10%. Can't purchase, consume, or possess any mood-altering substance without a prescription and cannot possess firearms. The case number 21-0330, contact information, has that been transferred over to Andy?
I do have contact information, and the time is actually 8:30.
We're going to change it to 8:30 a.m.
This online.
So So that wraps up this arraignment, correct?
That's correct.
Yes, sir. Did you have paperwork, sir, for my traffic warrant arraignment?
That's the boss, Andy, has to answer.
Yes, we'll do Lewis next. Sharon, you're all set. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
I would have used the whole building. I think she's got a great picture.
So hold on. And the traffic arraignment person is Mr. Lewis, right?
Yes, sir.
Bronson O'Neill Lewis, correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lewis, Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's date and time set for an arraignment on some traffic cases that are outstanding. Your address is 3840 Burn Street, correct?
Correct. I live, just moved to 8529 West Verner Highway, Southwest Detroit. But I work out this way. My mother's stay out here. I'll just drop my
What's the zip
dog
code in
off.
Detroit?
48209.
8529 West Verner Highway, Detroit, Michigan, 48209. Is your phone number still in 1707?
Yes, sir.
You have an outstanding failed to display a valid license. It was a driving while license suspended, but because you've let it go since 2014, it turned back into the original charge. You have an outstanding balance of $854 on that case, and that case number is 14-0167.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Well, I'll be right back. Stay there.
Yes, sir.
8529.
Yes, with the post, right?
What'd you go? Traffic ticket? Spirit of something. Possession, how much was your bond? 1,000. 1,000. I was wanting to see, but he's leaning on these,
There's a difference between him, he shows up, you don't.
All right, Mr. Lewis,
yes, sir.
this case is going to get turned over to the collections department. It's been going on since 2014. So obviously
Okay.
you can tell that these cases don't go away.
No, right. I stay in Atlanta. I stayed in Atlanta. I just came back up here probably about a
It's
year
your best
ago.
interest to show up at the courthouse and pay this off or make a payment. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
The collections department's going to contact you by the contact information you just gave me. So you best pay close attention to it, because if they contact you and you don't answer your cell phone, the warrant's going to go back into the system.
Okay. When will they is there a time limit when they gonna contact me?
Start paying attention after today.
Okay.
This is case number 14-0167.
Thank you.
And that's all he had, right?
I believe so. Yeah, that's all I saw, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So that wraps up Mr. Lewis and Van Buren. Andy, you're happy, correct?
Correct.
Everyone have a good day.
Yeah.